Hello and welcome to Tidbit English Channel. In today's lesson, you will practice your English listening skills. You will hear a short story about someone's busy morning routine. Listen carefully and try to understand the story. Let's begin. Emma woke up early on Monday morning. Her alarm clock rang at 6 o'clock, but she didn't feel ready to get out of bed. She had gone to sleep late the night before because she was finishing an important project for work. After a few minutes, Emma finally got up. She walked to the kitchen and made herself a cup of coffee. The smell of fresh coffee helped her feel more awake. While drinking her coffee, she checked her phone and looked at her schedule for the day. She realized she had a very busy day ahead of her. First, she needed to attend a meeting at 9 o'clock. After the meeting, she had to finish preparing a report for her manager. Emma quickly took a shower and got dressed. She chose a comfortable outfit because she knew she would be sitting at her desk for most of the day. Before leaving the house, she prepared a quick breakfast. She made some toast and scrambled eggs. While eating breakfast, she listened to the news on the radio. The weather forecast said it would be sunny and warm. Emma was happy to hear that because she was planning to take a short walk during her lunch break. After finishing breakfast, she packed a bag and checked that she had everything she needed: her laptop, her notebook, and her keys. Then she left the house and walked to the bus stop. The streets were already busy with people going to work. When the bus arrived, Emma found a seat near the window. She liked sitting by the window because it allowed her to relax and enjoy the view of the city. During the bus ride, she reviewed her notes for the meeting. About 20 minutes later, the bus arrived near her office. Emma got off the bus and walked the rest of the way to work. As she entered the office building, she felt ready to start the day. Even though the day would be busy, Emma felt confident that she could handle everything on her schedule. Now let's see how well you understood the story. Answer these questions in your mind. What time did Emma wake up? Why did she go to bed late the night before? What did Emma drink in the morning? How did she travel to work? What did she plan to do during her lunch break? Let's look at some useful words from the story. Schedule. A schedule is a plan of activities or tasks that you need to do. Example: I check my schedule for the day. Forecast. A forecast is a prediction about the weather. Example: the weather forecast said it would be sunny. Review. To review means to look at something again in order to study it. Example: she reviewed her notes before the meeting. Now we have a question for you. What is the first thing you usually do in the morning? Write your answer in the comments below. Thank you for listening and learning with Tidbit English Channel. See you in the next lesson.